in the end, you end up saving a lot of money because you aren't losing all your blowers and all your assets out there in the field.
Okay, we're here at RIAA, and I'm here with George with Camcode.
Yes, thank you for having me on.
What's your full name, George?
My name is George Berry. I work for Camco, which is a division of Horizons. I'm a sales account executive there. So the company I work for, Camcode, is a really cool company. I really enjoy working there. And basically what we offer is a special type of barcoding label. We have polyester labels that can go indoor, on computers, laptops to track your assets and inventory. But really what sets us apart is our durability of our labels. And so I have a couple small ones here. They're customizable. You can make these into different sizes. And basically what they are is anodized aluminum.
Anodized aluminum, what's that mean?
So it's under a layer, a sapphire level of toughness layer that these QR codes, these barcodes are imaged on. Basically what that means for customers is they can last outdoors for 20 to 30 years. They can last with different types of chemical abrasions. And for restoration companies, they're going to need something that's going to be able to last, that their workers might be able to scratch, ding, and also clean.
Yeah. It's not going to be held. It's not going to be kept in the cabinet, right?
Yeah.
It's going to be in the field.
Yep, in the field. Scratch resistant, abrasion resistant, chemical resistant, and UV protection as well.
Yeah. So what purposes do these serve? Like in what cases? Like what's a use case scenario for some of these barcodes?
Yeah.
If I'm a technician, if I'm a contractor, I'm out in the field, how would I use these? What's an example?
Yeah, so say you own your restoration company and you have 1,000 blowers out in the field, and you keep losing them. They're getting left at job sites. You want to be able to track your assets. You want to label these, have a check-in, check-out system, so you can keep track of your inventory. And in the end, you end up saving a lot of money because you aren't losing all your blowers and all your assets out there in the field.
So I start a project, I put out like 5 blowers, I scan each one. Now that we know that those 5 blowers that I'm using, we know exactly where they are, and you can track it when the job's done.
Yep. And the great thing about our company too is that we work with anyone. We work with any software companies.
What are some examples of the software companies that you work with now?
A good one is Asset Panda.
Okay.
A lot of check-in, check-out inventory. XRP. We work with just any company that can scan a QR code, that can scan, and it's QR code diagnostic that can check in and check out.
It's interesting because QR codes have been along for a long time, but only recently after COVID, now everybody's used to it. It's not like it wasn't hard before, but now it's like, if you don't know how to use a QR code, it's like, who are you? So it makes it very easy.
Yeah. QR codes became really popular once you are able to put your website on it. There's different types of barcodes that companies still use. Barcode code 129 or 128, excuse me, and barcode 39. That 128 and 39 just represents how many characters you can put into a barcode. And what you see on this one right here is a data matrix. So our labels are so durable that military assets use these.
Really?
So the Navy, there's different L3 Harris companies, EOTech, that use these, that use our labels, and they will write out their spec sheets to use our type of label. And
that's great. Wow. If the military uses it, you can too. It's a good line for you.
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. And then how are you enjoying the RIAA show? Is this your first time, or? This
is my second time.
Second time, okay.
So it's going well. Met some of our clients that we already serve, which is good to see them in person. We met some new companies that are trying to start tracking an inventory. And we've talked to a lot of people that, you know, they got a lot of assets out in the field and they're tired of losing them. So we're helping them label it.
That's great. Now, do you go to other shows as well, or do you go to the Experience? Will you be in Vegas, for example, coming up? Or
yeah, so I go to different shows. One show we have coming up is ASBO, which is more school focused.
Okay. Yeah.
We also have an IMC trade show, which is basically CMMS trade shows.
Okay.
We there's a lot of fields. It's almost harder for me to describe who we don't sell. Yeah, who we don't sell to and what we won't label. So we label ships, weapons.
If somebody needs to reach out to you or contact you, how do they contact you? How do they find you?
Yeah, so you could go to camcode.com. One of the great things that my company does is we will ship you out samples to test. We want you to beat these things up. So you reach out to us at Camcode, or you can email me at gbarry@camcode.com. My phone is 440-479-5076. My work line. You can always reach out to me there. And we even will ship you samples off of our website if you put in your information there.
Oh, good. So working samples for your actual information, your code. That you want to use.
Yeah. So the samples, they would be just like this with the QR code. It'll go back to Camcode's website, but everything's customizable. You know, you want to put your logo on there. You would like to, you have a set of assets that already has a starting serial number. We'll continue it.
That's great.
Yeah.
That's terrific. All right. Well, thank you. Go to camcode.com, and this is part of the industry. We want to see the industry do well, right? These are taking new technology or technology that's there already, but enhancing it with products like Camcode and making contractors be able to perform better and have a better business, right?
Yep, and a big return on their assets, you know, so they aren't losing. It pays for itself in the end. You aren't losing your assets out in the field, and you're better able to maintenance and keep up with them.
All right, well, George, thank you. Thanks for coming on.
Thank you.